Hi, I will be doing my speech on human activity and climate change. Human activity has been known to be a major contribution to the change in the climate. The burning of fossil fuels and the deforestation of land cause the climate to increase greenhouse gases into the atmosphere as well as damage the ozone layer. In an article called How Do Human Activities Contribute to Climate Change and How Do They Compare with Natural Influences, it states that human activities contribute to climate change by causing changes in the Earth's atmosphere and the amounts of greenhouse gases, aerosols, and cloudiness. The largest known contribution comes from the burning of fossil fuels, which releases carbon dioxide gas to the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases and aerosol affect climate by altering incoming solar radiation and outgoing infrared thermal radiation that are part of Earth's energy balance. Changing the atmospheric abundance of properties of these gases and particles can lead to a warming or cooling of the climate system. Fossil fuels like oil and coal has been a major source of human utilization. With the use of fossil fuels, burning of these gives off carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. According to slocumhouse.com, with an article on fossil fuels, it states fossil fuels are mineral fuels or fossil source fuels, that is, hydrocarbons found within the top layer of the Earth's crust. It is generally accepted that they formed from the fossilized remains of dead plants and animals by exposure to heat and pressure in the Earth's crust over hundreds of millions of years. This is known as the biogenic theory and was first introduced by Mikhail Lomonosov in 1757. Fossil fuels are non-renewable resources because they take millions of years to form, and reserves are being depleted much faster than new ones are being formed. The three major forms of fossil fuels are coal, oil, and natural gas. Coal, by definition, in the American Heritage Science Dictionary, states that a dark brown to black solid substance formed from the compaction and hardening of fossilized plant parts in the presence of water and in the absence of air. Carbonaceous materials account for more than 50% of coal's weight and more than 70% of its volume. Coal is widely used as a fuel, and its combustion production are used as raw material for a variety of products including cement, asphalt, wallboard, and plastics. Coal is recovered from the earth by surfacing mining and deep mining. Surface mining or strip mining is less expensive and usually occurs on flat land. Deep mining requires digging shafts and tunnels to get to the coal seam. Automation of deep mining has helped to counter its safety and health hazards. Coal mining presents a health and safety factor that has resulted in many deaths of coal miners, from mining accidents to lung cancer. Crude oil, by definition, is a mixture of naturally occurring hydrocarbons that is refined into diesel, gasoline, heating oil, jet fuel, kerosene, and literally thousands of other products called petrochemicals. Crude oil are named according to their content and origins and classified according to their per unit weight, specific gravity. Heavier crudes yield more heat upon burning but have lower API gravity and market price in comparison to light or sweet crudes. That is from businessdictionary.com. And natural gases is defined as a mixture of hydrocarbon gases that occurs naturally beneath the Earth's surface, often with or near petroleum deposits. Natural gas contains mostly of methane, but also has varying amounts of ethane, propane, butane, and nitrogen. It is used as a fuel and in making organic compounds. These fossil fuels, when burned, release certain greenhouse gases that is damaging to the environment. When coal, natural gas, or oil is burned, they release gases into the atmosphere. According to slocumhouse.com, fossil fuels release carbon dioxide, CO2, which is a greenhouse gas, trapping heat in the lowest part of the Earth's atmosphere. This contributes to global warming. The average temperature of the Earth slowly increases, affecting ecosystems across the globe. Sulfur dioxide is a key contributor to acid rain, primarily in the northeast U.S. Nitrogen oxide contributes to acid rain and smog, as well as health issues such as lung inflammation, immune system changes, and eye irritation. These contributing factors have been to define that climate change, and I